Chat, now hear me? Hold on there. Alright, we're good. Put that right there, so. Our time, 9:15. Chat, me want forward live 9 o'clock, but wait, I think we have news 8:30. Oh, look at this bullish candle, bro. What time? 8, yeah, we did have news 8:30. Hold on there, I'm not forward. Me really remember say yo we have news 8:30 today, I swear. I swear me really remember say today we have news. But what else left? Natural gas storage 10:30. It's just a yellow folder still. Nothing that serious. But you know what else we need? Man, I need it. Hey, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna find it again. Well, yeah, just fuck that friend. I'm gonna have to go sign in into that. But alright, Chad. So yeah, we're running analysis so we can go on with. Um, so news forward push all the way up 41, 42 levels. These are the same level we take buy from yesterday, Chad. As you can see, this was the buy we took yesterday. Yeah, price popped up towards the same level. Let me see, 43.25. Then we start to reject. We get like a closure below the range, and the previous 15-minute was a weak bearish closure though. Current 15-minute can go open up, interminute we can start to push up. So chat, if I'm going to look for buys, the way I'm see it just for after the 15-minute time frame, I would need like this 15-minute candle would have to push all the way up and close above 41, 42 levels for me to go for any type of buy position. If that will happen, the buy would basically be like the same idea as yesterday. Because this is yesterday markup. May delete this soon, but yeah, so if we should get a closure above 40, 41, we could look for buys going up towards 45, just like yesterday. But this 15-minute candle, we got 12 minutes left. This could just be another high, another lower high. Flip bearish. If this 15-minute candle flip bearish, you expect we push down towards at least the previous candle wick fill. Here's in my chart. Once we get like a closure below, we could start look for sells below, like we could look for sells below 42, not 42, sorry, 32, 43, 32.38. Could look for sells below this level. But I'm gonna delete that was yesterday trade. Get some new levels markup chart. Oh, so the daily candle flip, we already print a low. We have a bunch of rejection. We're 46 or 49 levels. And try let me get some levels mark up real quick. Until 49. Kinda sick too, you know, bro. We're good. So that's how the flip. Where you loaded there? 14. Alright, let me see. That's also the hourly candle low. Hold on, chat. Give me a second. Alright, chat. Me there back. So, yeah, me I get in levels, yeah, markup. So, me I say solid low. 43.15. See. Daily candle start for push up. I think this was like also the news candle. The push way all the way back up. Should probably open up by the way. Let me see. Daily candle high 43.43. Print a low. Any closure back above should definitely take us up further. Since we already print a high, price push all the way down, we print a low. If this 30-minute candle should flip bullish chat in 7 minutes and close above 43.39.69, we could look for buys going up. But let me see range going up is how much. This is what we could even try to take advantage of the previous 30-minute candle wick fill. Yeah, that would be decent chat. So I'm put a level on the 30-minute candle highs. At our 43.29. Break even would be at the rebreak at highs, the rebreak at the current candle highs. Yeah. So that's I look to take buys above this level chat. Buys above 39, risk free at 41, and close full at 43. And for the sales, if I'm looking for sales chat, I said earlier I will look for sales below 43.30. Let me see. I'll measure this. Anything below, yes sir. 43.38 would have a decent chat. Would have be decent if it take sells below. Reason I say 43.38 because I want to make sure price break the lows them. Like on the way down, we have like a bunch of rejection levels. So once price close below, if price don't reject from like, we have like a level at 28. If this 50 minute candle continue to push down, you would expect some rejection at this level. But if price don't reject, if price don't flip bullish after we tap 28 and we continue to push down, once we get a closure below 27, once we below these lows that we have right here, chat, price close below, but I look for sales push down towards 43.25, and that's like a 30 pip range going down. So that would be the idea for the sales. And yeah, that would be the idea for the buys I explained earlier. So let me just let me move this. I don't want the chart get too confusing. Somebody spam the phone there. Alright. Say chat. That's basically the idea I have for today. Right now, buys, I'm looking for buys above 39, sells below 28. That's just the idea I have for right now. The more price print, the more candles print, the more information you get, you might see me change my levels. Adjust. But this high level I'm gonna work with for now though. What the fuck? All of my thing then gone, bro. No, I would have dog. I swear. Chat, you never see the screen, bro. Oh. No, tell you saying gone. I'm gone. Alright. This rejection did how much? Oh, I just realized something holy. This hour 31 would that be a good level to in a chat? If we take cells below, can adjust this towards 31 levels. And when I look for take cells go down towards the lows then we have. Forget entry. We look for go break even for once price top 29. This could be a break even level. Could close for like 26, 43, 26.99. So that these are levels that I work with now, chat. based off of the hourly time frame, just see that, just see that on like the hourly. Still not the rebreak of the lows though, cause price would need to rebreak its lows and push all the way down and close below. Would I need a closure below, and we could go break even at this level if we should get entries. Oh, price not rebreak it low. Price not rebreak it lows yet. I don't see though. I'm put this. We have information over here, sir. What shall I say when I put this again? 25. Let's see what's going on over here, sir. So rebreak the lows, chat, push down. But may I wait for a closure below, not just price topping this level. Once the price actually close below before I look for any type of sales. We got like what, 4 minutes until the 5-minute candle close. So I studied about this really book. That would have been decent, and that would have been like a continuation. I didn't feel the range by the previous hourly, previous 4. Chat, remember we have idea for buys above 39, so we're getting close. We're almost there. My fault. Alright, so we top 39. Let me see though, I got see what about the rebreak of the highs? Hold on, chat. I'll just wait for a closure above. Alright, chat, so let me see. We got a minute left. Whole price of a move now. Chat, I'm not in as yet. I'm waiting for like a closure. It's volatile as fuck, bro. So I'm wait for closures, chat, cause even though like price push up so like quick, if we don't have like a closure above the range, it can reject just as fast. So that's why best to just wait for like a closure, confirm we're above 43.39. You see me? Yo, a volume are kicking it out, I swear. Okay, I like a volume thing, bro. I knew it was gone already. Chat, I wanna see how price react from like 43.28, cause we have some rejection level right here. Price was able to tap this level and flip bullish and push up. So I wanna see like after we tap this level, I wanna see how price react. If we break this level, then I'll look for sales going down towards 43.24. But this level right here, chat, I wanna see how price react from that level. Price close below, then I'll take sales below 28. But this right here is like something that we call it. This is a rejection level, chat, and in the past, price was able to reject from this level and flip back bullish. So I don't want to get into sales right here, and then this can just flip back bullish. Alright, let's just stay out of that. But if we get a closure below though, then we could confirm once we break below 43.28, then the sales will be decent below this level. It was all a dream. Imagine this can go flip bullish though. And if we don't flip bearish, that good, cause alright, let me see. So chat, get ready here. Might enter weekend to sales if this can manage to push up first. It look like we didn't to push down first, so no weekend trade now. I would look for like market execute sales if we push up first, but since we push down we top 26, I'm gonna just wait. Let me see. Probably gonna need to adjust like my levels them too. Alright, the rebreak of the lows. We got range going down. We have rejection level at 25. Yeah, might as well wait for a break at 25. Take sales below. So chat, them a new level what me I work with. Me I work with 23 now. You see me? Right now. Let me see by the way. Range going down. That's our 18. Get like any type of closure. So chat, this is the level like I'm working with right now. 23, 43, 23. If price can like close below this level, sales going down towards 43, 20 would be decent. That's like a 30 pip range going down. But yeah, maybe I look for see if like 26, if we get a closure below 26, but we didn't. So we're gonna have to wait. It's just that chat. Me not enter sales them because even though price push down, me not enter right now because if we have price push down, we have like rejections on the way down. Like we have a level right here, chat. Where price could reject from 28, 43, 28. We break through that, but even though we break through that, we still have another level right here where price could reject from. This is 43, 43, 25. That's where price is basically at right now. We're almost there. So it's like that's the reason why I don't want to take like the sales coming down. I rather wait for a closure below 24, and we're at 24. So can we get a closure below? Or if price just pop and fill the entire range, GG's. But chat, if this mini candle can close, push back up for a top week, like once we tap 43.23, week entry sales would be decent. I'd market execute sales. We just fill the range without a closure below. GG's, bro. Alright chat, so let me get some new levels. Whatever price just fill the range, can't really do nothing about that. Because I have a follow plan, you see, we did need a closure below before we sell, but gold just fill the range without even close below. Whoa, this daily can go probably, oh yeah, almost daily candle lows 15. Man, I go for money, I know sales though chat. Like any trade I'm taking is like, you have to be like, according to plan. You see me? Make sure I don't FOMO into anything, bro. Cause bro, see when I worst thing are when you FOMO and then go in a drawdown. Man, they find that. Yeah, find that, bro. Any trade may I take off to be according to plan. Worst on a day like today. Go and move, you know, but I watch it still. I watch price drop like 300 pips with no entry. Them one for something. This look like a good level. I know for slow it down. Chat, we could look for sales on the rebreak of the lows. Let me see. The rebreak of the lows are how much? 27. Chat, we could look for sells on the rebreak of the lows, chat, but we need we can just wait for a closure below in 20 seconds. We get a closure in 20 seconds. So a closure below top wick. I want to see a top wick push up towards. Want to see a top wick up towards 4315.86. This level. Once this level get tapped, yeah. Once this level get tapped, chat 4315. Damn, goal push down first. Let's see if we go print a top wick, cause in order for me to take sales, I need to see a top wick. Or this can't go without the print structure like within. No, don't re-break the lows yet. Re-breaking the lows, GG's. GG's. Price a glitch. Bro, I swear gold funny, dog. I just like how gold move. Price just glitch, bro. No top wick. Range get filled. So chat, now we have to be careful, chat, cause the range basically get filled. This now we're approaching like, see these lows, chat. Now we're approaching a level where we have to be careful, like price don't just keep pushing down forever. We're most likely going to get some rejection real soon, bro. Cause we need to print lower highs, even if we're going to like try push down. Cause I don't be surprised if I see this candle just start to reject to print a high. So that's why we have to like be careful. Have to be careful with the entry, bro. Fuck, you got enter and this just start to reject. Guys, we're approaching like a support level now. We're breaking all of the lows them. But chat, you know that's something that I don't really struggle with, FOMO. Like, bro, I would like sit here and watch price drop 300 pips with no entry. I don't have a problem with FOMO, I swear. Because it's like I have a strategy. I only know one strategy. I only know one strategy, chat says. Like, that's the only thing. I have to like wait for the entries that I know of. Analyze the market. I only got one strategy. You see, when you only have one strategy, chat, I feel like it helps you to like not FOMO. Cause most people got like multiple ways they can enter the market from multiple different strategy. I only have one, so that's like, I think that's the reason why I don't really FOMO. I know most people, bro, them get like bear entries. I know people trade this, bro, they eat good just now. Like beer, this basically push like 300 pips, chat. Yeah, even a little bit more. So I know everybody eat off of that. But I'm not getting no entries cause my strategy, bro. My strategy not give me no entry. When I get no entry confirmation. And the thing is, me only know one strategy, so I like say me can enter because I'm a second strategy. That's a good thing. You see, this 5 minute candle go close bullish above the range. As well, message that you would expect some bullish closures, some rejection, some lower highs. That's the reason why, we have to be careful. Once price push down, at some point we're going to reject. On the what time? 9:50. Price I move to the door. I like the price action chat. Price action clean. Price action clean. We have 9 minutes left until the 30 close. Hourly close in 9 minutes. What is 4? Rebreak all the lows. Imagine if this 4 can go flip back bullish, bro. That would lead to the daily can go flipping bullish again. Yo, the buys them would go crazy. If this 4 can go flip bullish chat, bro, the buys would freaking for sure would have probably break all these highs, bro. Would have break 43.50. 43.53. That's how much I expect if this 4 can go for flip back bullish with volume. Breaking these highs, bro. But the struggle with my banga, my charger. You say you know fast times and nip on over. So chat, we're just being patient. We're just being patient here. We have 7 minutes left, and with this 4 can go chat. It's possible to flip bullish. That's possible. I'm not saying it's going to flip bullish, but it's possible. You see me? So it's like best thing we can do is wait, see how this hourly can go close. It look like we're rejecting right now, but at the ending of the candle, when we're about to close, this candle can still close bearish below the range. If that happens, sales would be decent. And if we should reject and we close like bearish respecting, then we could look for buys going up towards the 4 candle flip. We don't even have to wait for the 4 candle to flip. We could enter buys expecting this 4 candle to flip. But yeah, we just have to wait though and see how this candle close, as I think this candle is a tricky candle. Like the closure part, the closure in 6 minutes, it look like we're rejecting right now, but in 6 minutes we can still close heavily bearish below the range, like below 43.14. And if that happens, sales going down, it would still be good. They feel like they are joking. I'm gonna try to show you dog. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Oh, okay. What I like that? So weird. Bro, I just turn my head for 1 second. I want me to call. We have 3 minutes left until we get a closure chat. I'm gonna try to put this. Alright, I'm gonna just left it there so. Why the range going up by the way? Alright. A rebreak would have been decent to dog. That hour 15. Alright, chat. Buys on the rebreak at the highs. The rebreak at the 15 minute candle highs would have been decent, I swear. But we already print a lower too. Chat, you know, man, I do chat. May I place buy stop? Yeah, 1 minute left. No. May I put buy stop on the rebreak at the 15 minute candle highs, chat? But we have a minute left. Let me see if we can get a closure above. See if we can get a closure above on the minute time frame or something, chat. Closure above, candle would I need to print a low, and I will look for some weak entry buys. But this next minute candle would have to print a low though. If we push down towards 28, 43, 28, or even break 28, that would have been decent. Alright, we'll see if this candle can push down. But I need it for push down first thing. Price just fill the range there, so I go. Bro, price just glitched, bro. You see that? Price just glitch. Price are moving, the price glitch, bro. Chat, I put buy stop and this 15 minute can go flip chat. So once this 15 minute can go print a low, if we flip back bearish, 4328.61. I have buy stop on the 15 minute can go flip. See how flip bullish and start to push up already. Chat, me didn't even get chance to place that, bro. Alright, as me about to click modify, the can go just flip bullish. But the buy entry clean though. And this is break even, chat. So if you get a chance, if you enter buys, this is a break even level. And I would basically be out this trade by now. Yeah, GG's. Whenever we miss the entry, GG's, bro. I told me like me type in a level as me about to click modify. It's like price flip. That was quick though. Yeah, I'm going so I can go and steal. Before I can go steal. And that would have been the flip. You break all the highs, them a break out. I know when me hear that can't even talk, bro. The tune that just stuck in my head. Chat, miss the buy entry chat. No, man, I have to just go away. This is like the cleanest move of the day though. Like that 15 minute can go flip. Cleanest move so far. No, right, no. If I'm going to take buys chat, I'm going to take any type of buys. I'll wait for like this 4 I can go flip right now. Did we get a closure above? Let me see. The range going up towards a flip at 27. See ya. We could look for buys going up towards 36 chat, but would I need a low though? Price would have to print a low and close above. And if not, we'll just wait until this 4 I can go flip before we look for buys. Yo, chat. Hold on, let me forward. Let me see. Let me see what I go on. Breaking the highs for a flip. Alright. Let me get some levels. Mark up before I'm doing it. I thought before I can go flip, I still got range going up. If I should get a closure above. Need a low. River retest, nice. 20 minutes left until this hourly can go close. Alright, chat. If I look for buys, chat, price push up top 43.37, and then we reject down towards 34. Buys on the rebreak at the high would be decent, cause if price should push up to rebreak its highs, before I can go with a flip bullish. Would I expect continuation? Like once it's 4 flip bullish, we should push up towards even the wick fill, the current candle high, and we already print a low. But the reason why I'm gonna enter buys as yet, chat, because something like this may wait point. Price open up, price push down, then price push all the way up. I would need to see like some rejection. After we get some type of rejection, wherever price reject from, if price manage to push back up and re-break the highs, the buy and the re-break at the highs would be decent. Let's my chat. That will basically what me wait point. And also, if this can go flip bearish, that's the reason why we wait for like a second like re-break at the highs. So basically give the candle a chance to flip bearish, since we already print a high and the candle start to reject. If it wants to flip bearish, it can, but if it don't flip bearish and it push all the way back up to re-break its highs, I would expect price should be able to fill the range. I would look for buys going up towards 39, but if you want to hold the trade longer, you could hold the trade up towards the re-break at the daily candle highs, or this hourly candle highs at 41, 43, 41. Boy, that's the idea of my out chat. me see what I'm going. 15 minute candle. Close respecting. Let me see. Wow. And a little short of time. But the rebreak of the highs look good. I expect once we break out. What's the range going up though on this 15? That's like 18. That will be 30. Yeah, I just play a waiting game, you see me? Like, I want to just see how this candle actually close. I'll see we flip bullish and then we re-break the lows same time. I just watch it and see how it candle react before I enter. You see me? I'm not sure what you're trying. So chat, if we can go finally I get a closure in our 20 seconds. No long may I wait for the candle close. Look like we are close above the range. Next 30-minute candle could look for a weak entry. Could look for a weak entry at 29. So chat, may I have buy stop at 29 chat. I got buy stop at 43.29.27. Yeah, I would need to see price stop this level before I look for any type of buys. This could be enough, but I'm not going to like enter. But as I can see, we have rejection level at 31 as well. But we just want more something steeper. Like if we can top 29, that would be decent. Yo chat, give me like a second. May I forward? I still have buy stop. I still have buy stop at 29, 43, 29.23. No, 0.34, 43, 29.34. Easy me. But may I forward chat? Give me like 2 seconds. So clearly we're not gonna get the lower chat. May I delete buy stop. Yeah, 29. We're not gonna top 29. 31 was enough. Price already push up the range. But I think that's the 4 I can go flip. Yeah, 4 I can go flip. We have idea for buys and the 4 I can go flip as well, chat. Just move this. Rebreak at the highs. That how much? Like 20. But I need this on rejection same way. Price can reject down towards like 30, 37, 43, 37, or even 36. That would have been decent. Would I look for some weekend chip buys if that for happen, chat? And if we print a top wick first, we could look for sales going down towards 36. If price print a top wick first. We'll see. We have to like just wait until the candle close. So 5-minute close above the range though. But yeah, chat, maybe if you see a low, maybe if you see price print a low. If we can top 37, I'm gonna look for some weekend trip buys. I want to see price just re-break. I will never completely top chat. I just want to see like a little re-break. That's probably it though. But like 3 pips away. Fudge. We came 3 pips away from like the weekend area. That might be it, chat. This candle might just flip and drive. But that's how you go. That might be it. Anyway, make it you know what you did. No FOMO, chat. Don't make sure no FOMO, bro. The entry, like price came close, whenever completely top. And now we can go flip. We can just wait for like closures above or wait for other rejections. But don't FOMO into any buy entries. Make sure any trade you take is according to plan. Here's my chat. Would I get to the price action like a 7 out of 10, chat? Would I get to the price action a 7 out of 10? Is a good price action. But I like price action decent today. Chat, me just a wait for like more lows. Like since we missed the entry by 3 pips, price push up, fill the range. We cannot enter buys right now. I would have to say like more lows. Like I'd need to say this 5 minute can go print a low. Yeah. Then if it's still print a low. Would have to top like 43, 40.08. Like minimum. I have to tap this level minimum check and then start to like push back up. Once that happens, that would have a decent. Sealer. Hold on. Your monster, why pray fam? Everything active, bro. Hold on, the dog. Let me see some. I am say close below 37.5. Push back up. This could be like a 5-minute candle top wick in a chat. But would I just wait? Would I just wait and see either a 5-minute top wick or a fake out? I just wait and see this is gonna go. And if we should get a closure above, that would have been what 15. Would I go break even? You know, silly nice tricky. Chat sales going down look clean, you know, but even if I'm going to look for sales, it wouldn't be on this 5-minute candle flip. I wanna see like a closure below and like the minute time frame or so. Once you get a closure below, we're good. This hour 26. that also 15-minute candle flip 33 levels. 5-minute flip back bullish. We'll see if we can get a closure above. I miss a closure above, I mean like above like 40 chat. 43, 40.95. This level. Once if this 5-minute candle can manage to close above before we look for buys. Rebreak at the high, that would be a breakout. Hey chat, we're about to get a closure now. Let me see if we close above. 3, 2, 1. Close respecting, yeah. Close bullish respecting. We get a candle print a low first. Well, I'm gonna go for my phone. Nice. A weekend share for this 5 would have been decent. I'm gonna say we're 15 I do. 9 minutes left on the 15. 9 minutes left on the 32. What the 5 flip? If this gonna be a fake or what you would expect of a flip, the flip would have probably get a better advantage to the rebreak at the highs. That would have been 17. That would have been 30. So chat, instead of weekend shit, I look for buys on this candle flip chat. I got buy stop at 33, 39.68. That's where I got buy stop. Let me place it real quick. Buy stop price. Say chat, not 33, sorry. 43, 33.98. Bro, anyway, 15-minute can go flip that on your thing. And there's some have buy stop. On your broker or your MT5. Adjust it. Adjust it up some more. 43 39.71 check. That's where I got buy stop. Me not take no weekend because this can go do have to flip bullish check. We got 2 minutes. This could be a fake out, but if it's not a fake out, then we print a low and flip bullish. Once we get activated, 43, 41 could be the advantage point. And once price stop 40, once price rebreak this high, I'm sure now. We have buy stop on the 5-minute candle flip. Chat, it's not even a 15 flip, it's a 5-minute candle flip, bro. I'm tripping. I'm about to get activated in a second here. But yeah. What did I say again? Yeah. This will be close full, this will be break even. This right here. 40, 41. 43, 41, that would have been break even. Yeah, just got activated just now, chat. Got activated in buys when this can go flip just now. And as I'm gonna say, 41, let me see. Yeah, we got 6 minutes until the 15 close. Hold on. Let me measure this. 20, 12, 17. Makes sense. So chat, yeah. We got what? Can go rebreak its lows after I flip bullish just now. That how much? 30 pips. Chat, we got 6 minutes left until this we call it this 30-minute candle close and stops. Going up on a break a structure. I measure to see this how much more. 120. Yeah, 110, 113. Sorry. 5 minutes left. More so like if we can get a closure above in 5 minutes. See if this can go flip bearish chat and re-break its lows. You're going to see my manage risk and the re-break of the lows. Cause if gold go and push up and fill the range at 43, you would expect this 30-minute candle to re-break its lows. So yeah, stops is on like the breaker structure on the 30-minute candle. If we should re-break its lows, I would manage risk and put this right also. Hopefully this doesn't look too confusing for you. Hopefully. But chat, I was just like instant drawdown. After I can go flip print a high or flip back bearish, re-break its lows. Like damn. goal a move so. No, oh goal a move so. Which part? Oh yeah. 4 hour. We are closing our 3 minutes. Chat, remember me say chat, if this 4 can go, not the 4, if this 30 minute can go flip bearish and re-break its lows, and we get a bearish closure below, you can see me manage risk, bro. Because at that point, the trade would be invalid. Yeah. Or once we get like a closure, if price even close below this level, which part my stop loss, because this a no breaker structure. But we got 3 minutes left. Let's see if this candle gonna close bullish in 3 minutes or not. Yeah, like cool. From Houston, or this I what only break the highs, start for reject. Let me see why the 4 candle lows, by the way. Like look like 300 by just looking at it. 300 and what? 312. That stops the momentum I use it up. 312 pip stop loss. Imagine chat. Imagine we use a 312 pip stop sponsor trader. I don't know, would I expect price to re-break the highs still? Like, even if we go drive down, I expect to re-break the highs. That was the idea going into the trade though. Like, would I expect a range fill? You see me? And before I can go flip, I expect before I can go just push up and fill the range. We never completely fill the range as yet. Yo chat, give me like 2 seconds chat, may I forward. Alright, I'm there back. Let me see. So the hourly candle close. Alright. That's some final start for Akrite. Cause me da expect a bullish candle closure above the range shot. When me see this 30-minute candle start for reject, I'm like, bro. Even if we are reject, once this 30-minute candle break its lows or flip bearish, that's like a confirmation. Say yeah, like it's trend shift. But in the last 3 minutes, we start Akrite. We get a bullish closure above like 38. No price start to push up, so we know at break even again. After what this drawdown was like, this drawdown was 50. It was not bad, 50 pip drawdown. Alright, chat. That I think that's our break even area, or not yet. Nice, rebreak the highs. Alright, chat. This is now a risk-free trade. This is now a risk-free trade. 41 is break even. Stop loss to break even, chat, minimum. This how much? Alright, closing full right there, chat. Close full just now. That's the trade. You see me? What the? Go like glitch. Go start for glitch, bro. But yeah, chat, that's the trade, bro. How much that? I think that's like 30 pips. 32 to be exact. But hopefully you understand the idea behind the trade though. You see me, chat? Lot of patience. We have to have like a lot of patience, bro. Level now 2. So we end up get a trade before 11 o'clock though. Cause at 11 o'clock me usually dip. But yeah, chat, hopefully understand the idea behind the trade. If you have any questions about the trade, you can ask. But that is it for right now. What I said this trade have a lot to do with the trend, you see me? And structure. Both of them. Trend and structure, chat. Until the price action super clean today, bro. I'd rate to the price action a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10, chat. But yeah, chat, that is it for today though. Me soon tomorrow. Tomorrow when? Tomorrow Friday. We have news tomorrow, by the way. Tomorrow 19. Nah, we're not on the news tomorrow, so we're good. But yeah, chat, me soon tomorrow. We end off the week, bro. I don't think we'll take an L for the week. Just straight wins for the week, yeah. Yeah. Let me see something, chat. Hold on. Let me check something. That went Thursday. Let me see how. I think I stream like 2 or 3 times a week already. But yeah, chat. That is it though. Me soon tomorrow. Love and respect to everybody who followed out on the stream. You can leave a like on your way out if you enjoy the stream. But yeah, see you tomorrow, same time, same place. We just continue to follow the plan, stay patient, and you know, execute. But chat, that is it for right now. Me soon. Sure, me have to go up on the road. You see it. Me have to dip off because I have somewhere to be at. But see you tomorrow, chat. That is it.